Myntri Rangbah kejela konrat ke sangma hagas kini thoding ulak Shimbynta hapok KA5TH Convocation Jong Icfai University kebala pelong State Convention Center Shillong. Hakane ke program lak don lang menteri ketenat pule putih urak kam sangma. Habakan ha kejingelang kebadon kumban terus pangot ki samla pule ki badai ki undergraduate pat postgraduate ki bala pas haki kos baper ukonrat ke sangma ulong ba kene kejing pen kupuram kedai ke bakongsan ya kejing im ki samla pule lala dai nak ki jela bat keri.
Bachelor of Arts in Economic future looking and ensure that the ordinary
Thank you, sir, for the honor. From the Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, undergraduate program, BA Political Science, Sasmin M. Mara. MA Education program, Tulsi Thapa. Of Science and Technology undergraduate program BCA, Okipong Mongkumere.
Congratulate all of you on this very, very important milestone in your life. And I'm sure that there must be a sense of pride and happiness in all of you, and especially in your family. I'm sure there's also a sense of anxiety and kind of thought that what next? And hence this is a very important crossroads in your life. But I'm sure that in the last many years, life itself as well as Icfai and the faculty has prepared you well for this particular moment. And each and every one in this room has gone through this particular phase. And I can tell you from my personal experience that this will be one of the most defining moments in your life.